G'day guys, Cyanide here, another old iron RC video. Today I'm going to get the FATBETTY truck ready to go and do a visit with a local RC truck club tomorrow. So I'm going to switch out this deck and put on their logging truck headache rack. It also means I'm going to grab the bogie off the back of this trailer and put that on the trombone trailer for the logging truck as well. I've got several trailers, this one, a tipper trailer and the logging trailer for FATBETTY, but I only have one set of bogies, so I just got to take the bogies off the back of this trailer. And yeah, so that's what this video will be today. I'm going to do this out in the lounge. I can't be bothered being in this cold little hobby room today, so I'm going to get this out and sit in the lounge. It's much sunnier out there. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, with this wooden deck here, it's only held on by M3s, 2 at the front, 2 at the back. So we'll undo those and we'll get this off. So thought I'd show the underside of this flat deck trailer here. This is a skeleton trailer, I think they're called. So I originally built this to put a shipping container on. I've yet to build a shipping container because this is a different scale to the ones that you can get available for RC. But it's removable, this deck's removable, and I can use the same trailer chassis for the tipper, and yeah, like I say, one day maybe even a shipping container. But what I'm just doing now is undoing one of these bolts here and slipping out this pin, and then I can put this walking beam axle bogie type deal here onto the trombone trailer for the logging truck. So anyway, this little A-frame thing here, that's removable from this trailer frame as well, so I can put it directly onto the back of the fifth wheel on the FATBETTY. And removing the deck and also the tipper truck attachment I got is as simple as these little spring-loaded pins here, and that releases the skeleton trailer. So you can see it there from the deck, and I don't know, what's that? So the way that this mounts to the trailer and stays put is there's a tab here, and there's another tab at the very back. You'll just be able to see it here, where it slips into the skeleton, and that keeps this nice and snug. So that's how all that works. And I've got this little toolbox thing on the side where I put stuff when I'm not using it, so it doesn't get lost. But this skeleton trailer is looking a bit too new looking for my liking, so I might just go and leave it in the backyard for while I'm not using it, let it rust up some. What's next? Back onto the truck. Last thing to do is put the bolsters on the back of this chassis here. I won't film me trying to get my fingers up and under here because it's real fiddly, but you get the idea. It sits on there and on the back of the chassis here, and I just stick these washers up underneath and bolt this back on. Yeah. So I'll just get that on now. Okay, so the truck's pretty much ready. I just got to charge the batteries so that I can drive around tomorrow. So that door I usually leave open because I'm lazy, because the battery access is in here. The battery lives under the under the bench seat, so I can put that in my LiPo charge bag, cycle that battery because it hasn't been used for a while. I also got to charge on the other side. There's a sound unit, MP3 amplifier type deal, so, and that uses like a cell phone battery in it. So I got to charge that separately. It's something I'll never do again because it's a pain in the bum, but I learn something new every time I do a build. So yeah, I'll get this battery on the charge. I'll take this outside and we'll do a few poser shots. I also got to put my little chainsaw and some chains in this tool thing here, and we'll be good to go, I think. Yeah. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is you might be wondering what this thing here is I put on the back. That flips up, and that holds the back of the trombone trailer high enough so that the wheels don't interfere with each other. So that's what that's all about. FATBETTY is now looking like a logging truck rather than a wooden deck style truck, with its trombone trailer, bolsters, headache rack. Found my little chainsaw. With sound effects. So yeah, we'll charge up the batteries and we'll take this out to the local truck club. Don't know how it will pan out because their trucks are 1/4" scale Tamiya and those sorts of things, and this is quite a bit larger than that. So, but we'll see how we go. We'll take it out there, and being semi-truck model enthusiast, I'll probably quite like it. But yeah, I'll definitely get some film, promote the club a little bit. And it'll be really groovy because my mate's gonna take his 1/1 scale toy out there, the R-Series Mack truck. So it'll be pretty neat. Maybe some of the model guys will want to have some photo opportunities of their model truck on the back of his truck, perhaps. We'll see. But yeah. So that video I'll be doing that tomorrow. Well, we'll be doing that tomorrow, so that video will be out in 1 or 2 days. So yeah, look, you can look forward to that, because I know some of those Tamiya trucks, man, those semi-truck trailer road trains, they're gorgeous. So I'm quite looking forward to going and checking them out. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. See ya.